The Gulf woke up to a new wave of tension and the storm of claims coming out of Tehran. Iran's powerful military wing, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, says that it has carried out a bold strike against American military technology in the Gulf. According to Iranian state-linked reports, an advanced U.S. missile defense radar connected to the terminal high-altitude air defense system was destroyed in Al-Rawais, and that too in the United Arab Emirates. But you know why that matters? Because THAAD radar is not just any equipment. It is one of America's most sophisticated early warning systems designed to detect and track incoming ballistic missiles from hundreds of kilometers away. Well, if such a radar is taken out, it could weaken the region's defense shields against the military attacks. Here, Iranian state media says that the operation was part of a larger retaliation campaign after the killing of Ali Khamenei, a moment that has pushed the already volatile Iran-Israel conflict into a far more dangerous phase. Well, Tehran says that the message is simple. Any US military presence in the region is now a target. But the claim, it did not stop there. Iranian outlets also reported that a US naval refueling vessel operating in the Indian Ocean was struck by the missiles. Well, according to reports, the vessel was left unable to continue the operation, raising alarms about the safety of American naval assets moving through strategic waters. Iranian commanders even claim that their missile units are actively tracking US warships across the region, warning that further strikes could follow. However, the US Central Command has not yet confirmed about these claims. Washington has remained cautious, never verifying the destruction of the radar or the alleged hit on the naval vessel. In the meantime, the ripple effect of the escalating conflict were felt across several Gulf nations. In Kuwait, authorities said that their air defense system intercepted hostile aerial objects believed to be drones or missiles passing through the region. Emergency sirens were triggered as defense forces scrambled to prevent potential damage. Well, in Bahrain, the situation turned really tragic. Officials confirmed that falling missile debris killed one person, highlighting how even intercepted attacks can still cause deadly consequences on the ground. Across the Gulf, governments are now on high alert. Airports, oil facilities, and military bases have tightened security as fear grows that confrontation between Iran, the US, and Israel could expand into a wider regional conflict.